You can start by multiplying the top equation by the lowest common multiple of the denominators, which is 12. Okay, so multiplying both sides by 12, I can get rid of this fraction and get instead 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. Over here, right, the lowest common denominator of the fraction is 6, so multiply both sides by 6, and then you end up getting 2x times 2, right? So that's 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now, notice that if I subtract these two equations, I lose the x, so let's do that. Okay, then we get 3y plus 3y, and 24 minus 0 is just 24. So dividing both sides by 6, we get that y is 4. Okay, so let's plug this back into this equation here, because it's the easiest one compared to this, right? So plugging that in, we get 4x minus 3 times 4 has to be 0. Or in other words, 4x minus 12 has to be 0. Add 12 to both sides to get rid of this, and divide by 4, and we get that x is 3.